If you create inventory from other parts or raw material, the optional Production Manager module efficiently handles the assembly and sale of these manufactured items. Before these items can be produced, they must first be configured in the Inventory module. They require an inventory type of manufactured to be used in production orders, and a list of raw or component materials must be defined on the Bill of Materials tab, which get consumed when this manufactured item is produced. This includes the ability to include manufactured items as sub-assembly materials for multi-level production. Whatever you enter here for the Bill of Materials list automatically becomes a production order template and maintains a connection link even when values or components are modified. Creating manufactured item quantities is done in the Production Orders module, where each order is for a single item and as much quantity as required. The Orders tab displays a list of outstanding production orders not yet completed, and new orders can be made from scratch or existing orders updated. The Templates tab has a list of manufactured items with their respective bill of materials, and a new order can be created from the template. Multiple templates can be created for the same item if they can be assembled differently, where one would be designated as the default template. Or a requisition initiated from the inventory item list or a sales order can be processed into a new production order. However the order is created for the desired manufactured item, it will display the item and its components along with other order information. If this came from a sales order requisition, that order number and the associated customer, purchase order number, and required date will be read in. You can pre-configure production order phases if you wish to track the progress of a production order, along with the date of the last phase change, and edit or increment the next phase when that is ready. And you can assign a priority level for the purpose of filtering or reporting to focus on high priority orders. When you have entered the quantity of the manufactured item to produce, you can easily see if there is enough raw materials for the production. The maximum number you can build is calculated and displayed next to the other quantity statuses, and there are colored visual cues to the status of each component item to determine the production capability. A green dot indicates that the component is in stock, and if all dots are green, then the item can be manufactured. A red dot indicates that not enough quantity is available to allow this production to proceed. A yellow dot indicates that the component item quantity is available, but there are other production orders with this component that total to more than what's available. And an orange dot indicates that the component does not have enough quantity available, but a purchase order has already been issued for the shortage. When not enough components exist, you can create a requisition for a purchase order to acquire them. As appropriate, you can change the quantity of component items, add or remove them, or swap with an alternate item, perhaps to allow production when it wasn't previously possible. When the order configuration is finished, you can choose to commit raw materials to this order by changing the status to either pending or in progress, which includes components for subassemblies. When you commit component items that use either lot numbers or serial numbers, you need to allocate the consumed quantity from an available lot. If enough stock is available, you can build to production to create the manufactured item and consume components.